Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a quick meal that's easy and delicious. Let's look at the ingredients we will need. Cut both ends and chop into rough chunks for the onion. Cut off the top and the ends of the bell pepper and slice them into small pieces. Slice the red pepper into the thin pieces. If you don't like spicy taste, you can skip it. Chop the spring onion into 3 cm pieces. For the chicken, cut lengthwise first and then slice into thin pieces. Coat the chicken with the flour, one by one. This will take some time, but the only way to get each piece covered. Before we start to cook, we will do the first step by frying some of the ingredients. Set the pan on high heat. Add oil into the pan. Toss the dry chili. Stir well until getting dark color, but not burn. Lift them up and rest. And do the same with the cashew nuts. You don't need to change the oil. We will use the same oil all over to the end. Fry them until they get brown. And continue with the chicken. Be careful, you must slowly toss them into the pan. Don't let them stick to each other. Fry until they get brown. For this recipe, I will mix all the sauce together first before stir frying because I need to stir quickly and keep all the crispy bits still crunchy. Okay, let's start cooking. Add oil and the garlic in the pan, set on high heat. Then add the onion and follow with the bell pepper. Stir until you make sure that the veggies get cooked a bit, but still crunchy. Add the chicken and next the sauce. Stir well. Add a little bit of water just to cover the bottom of the pan. Then add the dry chili, cashew nuts, red pepper, spring onion, and black pepper at last. Stir well and turn off the heat. Be served with jasmine rice on the side, and here how it look like. Hope you guys enjoy watching and try it out. See you on the next video. Thank you.